We're in today with the legendary GTX 560 Ti. This is a 2011 video card from ASUS. It's got 384 shaders, 1 GB of VRAM GDDR5 Samsung running at 830 MHz on the core clock, 1002 MHz on the memory clock, 256 bits bus width, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i7 6950X with 10 cores and 20 threads. Very interesting video card. I have to pair it up with this machine because I want to see in the future some SLI and Crossfire. I want to compare it to this baseline legend of Fermi video card. So let's jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. Let's start with a classic game, GTA 5. Now the difference between this one, this game with the video card is 4 years. So the launch of the video card, by the way, since 2011 when this video card was launched, it dropped in price nearly 95%. So you started with like what, $250 a video card, and now it's $20 or even less if you're looking specifically for a specific model. Then you're gonna pay a little more, but if you're getting the cheap one, you're gonna get less than $20. So it's a big drop in the price for the video card itself. Now for the game, there is a difference, you know. It was what, $60 when it was launched, and now what's $15. You understand what I'm saying? Even though there is a difference between them, this video card on 1080p with normal details, it still does the job. So look at this, look at it, beautiful, seriously. So this is what I need. I need this game to be on this video card because I got a lot of, like I said, I got a lot of SLI and Crossfire that I want to test, and there's some specific video cards that I want to put on and compare to this 560 Ti. It's got only 1 GB of VRAM, so if you're going on the main road, you're gonna hit that yeah, that bottleneck, that VRAM bottleneck. 99% load on the core. Temperature wise, it's a Fermi video card, so I can't say nothing good about the temperature. Plus it's well known that it's gonna be, you know, on the dead side with the solder on. I hate that heat spreader that is on top of it, because I'm guessing that is the reason everything goes bad, because of that thermal paste under the heat spreader. But if you can manage to put this video card on a specific level without stressing it, without giving all the time a lot of heat, like 80 degrees and stuff like that, you're gonna have nice performance even after so many years. 2026. Imagine the difference. No, I like the performance. This is generic, you know. So story mode, you're gonna play it with the classic. This is a classic legacy GTA, because I don't think it's gonna be the same performance if you jump in the. Actually, I don't think you can start the new one. It's made for new video cards. Regardless, I like this. In GTA Online, you're gonna have a lot of problems because of my CPU. Actually, how much I got on the CPU side? Yeah, 4.2. Even with 4.2, I still have problems there. I think it needs something more powerful. Maybe you should put this video card with that i9 10 Gen or something like that. That is more powerful on the core. Maybe that one will do much better because it's got 5000 megahertz per core. Very nice performance. 82 FPS on average. You know what? On 1080p, I'll take it. This is a great game to test on this video card because there is a big it's not a big difference. It's only 3 years between the game and the video card. So the game was released earlier, and the video card came 2011, 2008 GTA 4. This is kind of cool because in 2008 was around $50 when it came on the market, and GTA 5 came with $60, you know. So I'm wondering if GTA 6 is gonna be $70. Interesting question. Nevertheless, I have a very good opportunity to see this game running with this video card, because usually this is how you play older games than the video card's year release. So with this 3 years gap in between them, I will say he's got a big standing chance. So I'm on 1080p with lowest quality, so I want to see both of the ends, you know, one with low quality, one with highest quality, to see how they are performing, because this is compatible with SLI and Crossfire, so I want to compare them in the future with this 560 Ti. So in this situation, the average is good. Only 500 megabytes of VRAM utilized and 65 degrees on the core of the video card. If it stays 55, it's good. 99% load on the core, so yeah, it's doing okay. Only 75% fan speed. So I will call this a win because it's not heating up. So it puts on automated. Look at that, 80%. So it's put with automated with a graph in MS Afterburner, and if it's going up in the temperature, it's going to boost up the fan. So it's cool. It's cool to see this video card running like this in this situation. All right, now with maximum details. Maximum details on 1080p. I got maximum VRAM utilization, maximum core load. It's getting hot because it's utilizing the video card. I mean, all of the PCB. I'm gonna guess. Dude, the fan is like kicking in. It's reaching nearly 70 degrees and it's gonna max out the fan, and it's kind of loud, this fan, and I think it's got a broken fan because I hear one is like no problem. I got 31 FPS. Let's do one more time a reset here, and maybe we're gonna get different type of lows and minimals here, and 1% is like 15, 17. Not very ideal. I don't think this is the right resolution for this quality. I think 2000 and let's say 11, let's put 2011 will be maybe with 1366 or 1024, something like that. 1366, it was very common for all of the monitors and the laptop screens, and you know, that was the most generic resolution. 1366. 720p, yeah, almost there, you know, almost there. Do remember, I got nearly 300 watts consumption from this. It's got two 6-pin connectors, so now it's reaching nearly 60 degrees. See? It's being utilized 4 years after the game was released, and still not a single GPU in line capable of running the game on 1080p with maximum details. 8 FPS, look at it. What, 230 watts is bottleneck completely. VRAM, core load, everything is maxed out. So I put everything anti-aliasing. I'm gonna disable anti-aliasing because I think that's the reason it's lagging on 1080p with maximum details. Very, very high quality. But that, I think that's the reason. 16 on anti-aliasing, I don't think so. I don't think that is okay. I can disable it. I can put it off because I got 1080p. I think that's the only thing that is helping in this situation. Oh, look at that. Now playable FPS. So this is the original performance that I can get from the video card. If I'm interested on playing Crysis with this GTX 560 Ti, that is what, 4 years gap in between them. GTA 560 Ti came on the market and the mid-range video card, and it says, you know what, can I ride Crysis? Hell no. I mean, 1080p, it's an exaggerated resolution. I think that if I put the same settings like here, maybe with 2x on anti-aliasing and on 1366, I will have different type of performance. But for the sake of performance and testing in the future, I will keep 1080p because this is very important for the benchmark. So 1080p with maximum quality, aside from anti-aliasing, I got 45 FPS on average. And this is not bad, seriously. This is an awesome performance from this. Look at it. It looks good. Nice reflections. Everything is good. Quality is good. Everything looks good. Fantastic on 1080p with this amount of quality. So I will call this a win for this video card on this resolution with this quality. There's not a lot of problem here. 2011 Battlefield 3, 2011 GTX 560 Ti. There is no gaps in between this video card and this game. So theoretically, if you want to use a video card like this, you have to enter a game like this, like Battlefield 3. Now, this game was launched with $60 when, what, 2011, yeah? But now it's around, what, $2, $3 or something like that. It's like, what, you got a 95% drop in the price, so you better believe it is worth it to have it on your list, seriously. So in this situation with this video card, I will take it, seriously. All right, let's see what we got here with this performance. So on lowest quality, it's not that bad. Playing the game with this resolution on this quality, it gives me the nice FPS that I want from this game. Usually, if I wanted something like this, I would have put a different type of resolution. 72 degrees, only 879 megabytes of VRAM, good minimals. I mean, 80 FPS, it's kind of good in this situation. The overall performance is good. So yeah, I'll take it. Look at this. On the CPU side, I don't have a lot of problems. Let's see how is the FPS on the ground. Yeah, definitely in the right direction. Even on low quality, it's kind of good. This is what I want from a video card like this. I mean, you can get this video card cheap nowadays, and if you're interested on playing something online, this game apparently does the job. Just for the memes, I want to go in the quality preset and put it on maximum, ultra. Yeah, I want to compare it in the future. See what we got here. Let's do a reset here on the FPS side. 960 megabytes of VRAM. Yo, it land here. Yes. Look at the spot I managed to get. This is awesome. Averaging really nice here with this video card on this resolution with this quality. 47 FPS on 1080p, it's an exaggeration. I wouldn't keep it like this. 1080p will go very nice with lowest quality because I can get the right performance from the video card. You know, hundreds of FPS, maybe some different type of refresh. It's good, you know, that the video card has got so many options, and I like this. Same thing we're gonna do for this video card with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, that is 2011 in this situation. So it will be ideal because there's no gap in between the video card and the game. So the only difference is I have maximum details here with 1080p, and I got 50% load on the video card score. See, 800 megabytes of VRAM utilized here. Not bad in this situation. Maybe we can actually do something with this. 70% load, actually it's loading up. It's got a lot of buffer in this situation. A lot of fun you can have with this. Come on. Yeah. 2 people down. Yes, boy. Come on. I have to reload. No! I was dead. Alright, Modern Warfare. Apparently, you can do a fantastic job here. I'm not gonna complain about this because it's an awesome performance. Got nearly 900 megabytes of VRAM allocated in this case. It's performing really well in this situation. Doesn't utilize the CPU, even though I have a kick-ass CPU. All of a sudden, it makes this video card run really nice. Feels very weird that he knew exactly where to look. This is a very interesting performance with this video card because there is 1 year gap in between the GPU and the game. The game was released in 2012. It came on the market with $50, and now it's like $5 or something like that, like a 90% drop in the price. So it's kind of cool because the video card is cheap, the game is cheap, you know, so all of the path is aligned, you know, with your video card. If you're interested on, or maybe you found it really cheap, maybe you know what, I'm gonna give purpose to this 560 Ti, and it's kind of cool to see this video card running like this on 1080p with maximum details. I get 52 FPS. This is an exaggeration. I will never use it like this. I'm just throwing it out, you know, because I got 320 watts. Maybe I'm gonna put 1366 with medium quality, use VSync and call it a day, because I'm interested on this video card to not run with 75-80 degrees, you know. So in this case, I got 840 megabytes of VRAM allocated, doing the job with 100% load. Quality is good. So yeah, you can squeeze a little more from the resolution in order to get more performance. And I think this is the way. 50 FPS on average, it's not bad. So I will call it a win, and maybe this is gonna be the only thing that I will ask from the video card, you know, to give it a lower resolution. I want to test Watch Dogs with this video card. In between this video card and this game, there is a 3 years difference between them. On the launch, the game came with $60 on the market. Now it's less than $5. Well, like $4 or $5. That was that over 90% drop in the price of the game. So this game for this video card, yeah, if you're interested in open worlds like GTA 5, Far Cry series and stuff like that, this game needs to be on your playlist because it's possible. But only for the benchmark, I put it on Ultra on 1080p because I want to compare it with some very powerful dual core or SLI and Crossfire video cards. And this is not a bad idea, seriously. So I got maximum VRAM utilization, 100% load. So it looks and it runs okay-ish theoretically, but on this resolution, I wouldn't keep it like this because this is a 2011 video card and the game was 2014. And you understand understand what I'm trying to say. You know, no, do not max out an older video card with high resolution in order to say, oh, look how bad is this game or how bad is the video card. No, just find the right spot for it, you know. So on maximum quality, I got 22 FPS on average. This is gonna be my number that I want to write it down because we'll keep it for later benchmarking. Now on minimal, what we got here, look at that, 63 FPS. I hope I don't have VSync here. No, 68. Good. I wish I had sunshine outside because now it's rainy. Feels like London here. But yeah, I got 66 FPS on average. See, it's doing the job. So 300 watts consumption from the whole computer. So in standby in Windows, you know, going on emails and watching some YouTube, I had around 200 watts consumption with the whole computer running with this video card. So in this case, 300, it's not bad. So 100 when it's utilized at maximum, this video card. In a situation like this, I will call this a win. I will really like to play the game like this. Very important game that I need to test on this video card. I don't know how it's performing with DirectX 11 GPUs, but it's starting with an older video card like this, a 560 Ti. So this game, this Deep Rock Galactic on 1080p and hopefully with lowest quality, we're gonna make it run seriously because I don't want any you know, any influence on this occasion. So I got 1080p, anti-aliasing, it's off, and you know what, just let's put as a low quality preset and see how it's running like that. Yeah, we need 40 FPS here, seriously. So as a low quality preset, I got a standing chance. Let's do a reset because I don't know why it was DirectX 12 activated. Seriously, holy smoke, I put quality, low quality, and I can feel the artifact. You need the sharpening. Can you do some mining there? Oh, okay, this game is like Warframe. Smack his ass, look at that. Eliminate. Nice.
Shields ready again.
I don't think I have a standing chance here. Holy shit, I'm gonna die here, no. The drone was here. We could have escaped. This is actually entertaining for this video card. Not gonna lie, I would definitely love to play more this game with other video cards. I want to see if it's working with SLI and Crossfire. Dual BGA video cards, maybe 2 video cards, you know, I don't know. I need to test this a little more session. What an insane performance from this video card. This is the only thing that I can say because the GPU managed to do its job. Fermi video cards from 2011 with almost the most appropriate games that you can put on this video card, and there's a lot of them, but I want to push more video cards that are in SLI and Crossfire, and I want to compare with the single ones. Sometimes those rare video cards, they are not worth it because they are more expensive than a brand new video card. It makes no sense, you know. Maybe you get lucky on finding one cheap, or you still own it and you don't want to sell it. So instead of actually buying an old video card like this, even though they are cheap, it will be much better to use them with appropriate games. So yes, there is purpose for this video card for all machine, all operating system. Even with Windows 10 is working really nice. So yeah, I really appreciate this performance this video card is offering here. So considering the price, because this video card now is like $10 to $20 pounds, you know, euros, and it's worth it, you know, to have an older machine, having some older games and having some fun. It's good and I recommend it. It's my all-time favorite video card because of the I should say attachment that it was with this video card for me, gaming, you know. So more for me, it's more like nostalgia. Every time I go with a video card like this, I just go back in the years that were back in the days. I love it. I recommend something like this because they're cheap, and that's it. So in the future, I have some very unique video cards that I want to test, and yeah, can't wait to show you the performance. But until then, make sure you smash that like button, and as usual, I will see you very soon.